how to change currency in Vantage. The easiest way of changing your currency on Vantage is going to the home screen, making sure you are signed into your account. And here you will see your total assets. It's going to display this currency, and you can just click on this button here, for example, US dollars, and you can change this to whichever currency you want, and that is going to display your assets, how much you have in your account in a different currency. If you want to open up a new account, then you will click on the profile icon in the top right, go to profile, then you want to click on transfer IB, CPA or sales, and you have to choose a reason for the transfer. Once you transfer or submit the transfer request, then it's going to show you a option to choose a different currency, and you can choose a different currency, and also you can open up a new account in a currency of your liking directly here. Those are the 3 methods that you can go through. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.